Hello and welcome everybody to yet another video on STD with your mentor Vivek. Today we shall be starting our PHP refresher. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, everything we have built so far runs in the browser. But when a student books a seat in a WorkshopHub class, that booking must be saved somewhere the browser can't touch. That's the server. And today we start server side thinking with PHP. Fair warning, this is a speed run. If you already know PHP, enjoy the refresher. Local web server. First, you need a local web application server, a bundle with Apache, PHP, and MySQL. Everything the server side needs on your own machine. On Windows, grab WAMP or XAMPP. On a Mac, XAMPP or MAMP. On Linux, install the packages separately or just use XAMPP. Any of them gives you the same core. And here's the rule people miss. PHP projects must live inside the server's web root, the www folder. Outside it, PHP doesn't exist. So that's where our WorkshopHub folder goes. First file, index.php. Inside WorkshopHub, the first file you always create is index.php, the entry point of any PHP website. We start with plain HTML and H1 that says WorkshopHub. Open this straight from a file system and it loads fine because it's just HTML. Now I add PHP, refresh that URL, that file URL, and nothing. The browser shows the HTML, but the raw PHP just sits there, ignored. Browsers don't speak PHP. A server has to interpret it first. PHP lives inside its own tag. Less than question mark PHP. Closed with a question mark and greater than. Inside, echo prints to the screen. And every statement ends with a semicolon. Always. The fix is the URL. Open the page through the server, localhost /WorkshopHub. Now Apache hands the file to PHP. PHP runs the echo and the browser receives clean HTML. There's our class rendered. Echo isn't alone. Print works too, like a function. But echo is what you will use 99% of time. Now let's recap the server-side loop. So lock in the mental model. Browser asks Apache routes. PHP thinks. HTML comes back. Every booking will ride that loop. Up next, arrays, objects, and data shapes. How classes, students, and bookings look in PHP. So until next time, bye for now and peace out.